For those of you who don't know, I work in the prisons, and I'm about 13, 14 years ago, I came to the realization that we were being denied a whole series of rights in California and in other states for prisoners.
Patrick McCollum will appear before the 9th District U.S. Court on October 7th to argue that paganism is a legitimate religion with qualified clergy persons that can minister to those of their own faith in prison.
The largest unresolved challenge is really our battle in the prison system to open up chaplaincy and religious services for all faiths, and particularly our faith, the pagan faith, but also to include the others and all be treated equally.
Patrick has challenged a rule that gives preference to only 5 religions in the California prison system.
They had an official government policy that said that there are 5 preferred faiths sponsored by the state, and that no one from any other faith, which included us and all minority faiths, could hold certain job positions, and that the inmates of any of the minority faiths were considered to be second tier with less rights than the quote first tier preferred faiths.
As a pagan who has training, am I qualified to be a spiritual support or a counseling person for other pagans? And right now the government says I'm not. That in order for me to have the qualifications to minister to people of my own faith, I'd have to be a Protestant, or maybe, a priest, Catholic, or something like that.
But Patrick is qualified, not only an ordained Wiccan priest and recent recipient of the Mahatma Gandhi Award for the Advancement of Religious Pluralism from the Hindu American Foundation, but he has served as an unpaid correctional chaplain for California in all 33 of the state's correctional institutions for nearly 2,000 Wiccan prisoners. He is a member of the American Correctional Chaplain Association, and he's the program chair for the National Correctional Chaplaincy Directors Association, as well as the chaplaincy liaison for the American Academy of Religion.
Pagans that are just as qualified. We have people who have, degrees in counseling and therapy and PhDs, just like everyone else does. We have doctors, lawyers. So we definitely have qualified people who can meet that need.
For more information, visit circlesanctuary.org/liberty.